today. A penguin waddles, it can't fly, but it swims so fast under icy skies. A swan so graceful, gliding on a lake, leaving ripples in its wake. A robin sings in the early dawn, welcoming the day with a cheerful song. A rooster crows, cock-a-doodle-doo. Wake up, friends, the day is new. Birds, flying free, singing songs in the tallest tree. Tweet, tweet, chirp away, we've learned their names today.
For more video, do like subscribe my channel.